our school in Mudukar. Now I am going to read reading card in science. Comparison candidate distribution curve, stitched handstand footstand, standard international system, physical kilogram, submultiplier, millimeter, thickness, diameter, centimeter, straight, carpet, screw cage, vernier, caliper, paper, touching, parallax, reading, diameter, wooden curved segments, estimation, calculation, smaller board, while transportation successfully, rectilinear, curvilinear, card, gun temperature, substance, luminous, active, utilize limited quantities, perfection, thickness, smaller, carbon pencil, diameter.
Stop.
Thank you.